An urgent warning to parents and children involving cases of whooping cough. The illness, now identified in Macomb and Washtenaw counties, it is capable of causing dangerous sickness that can require being hospitalized for worsening cough and other symptoms. Today, I spoke with an expert who studies infectious disease at DMC, sounding the alarm about risks to younger children. Dr. Leah Monday telling me whooping cough can appear as a common cold to begin, but may become far more severe during a course of 3 stages and require treatment with antibiotics. The highly contagious lung infection, also known as pertussis, the focus of an alert from Chippewa Valley schools, where 2 cases were identified at Dakota High School in Macomb County. Cases also have been identified in Washtenaw County, and they can include symptoms of pneumonia, ear infection, dehydration, seizures, and vomiting.
What's your biggest message to parents in terms of what to do involving whooping cough?
We need to increase vaccination rates in our children. We previously in 2023 saw 58 cases in Michigan of whooping cough, and so far this year we already have over 470. This is a bacteria that is able to infect us and create very harmful toxins.
The doctor recommends vaccinations beginning at 2 months, with booster shots at 4 and 6 months, 1 year, and 5 to 6 years. She says shots can reduce chances of complications and hospitalization. And if you have any questions, just contact your local health department.
Yeah, nothing worse than seeing your little one suffer with something so serious.
Yeah, we both know how that feels. Very serious and so important to stay ahead of it. Thank you.
All right, thank you.